Hi friends, join me as I guide you on how to disable JavaScript in Mozilla Firefox browser. Open up the Firefox browser in your PC, click on the search tab at the top of the screen and you type in about full colon and config. You press the enter key to enter, click on accept the rigs and continue. Once it is opened up, click on the search bar at the top here, then you type in JavaScript. So you locate the JavaScript dot enabled. You can see that it is true. That means it is enabled. So to disable it, you click on the arrow beside it here and it has turned it to false, which means that it has been disabled in your Firefox browser. That's all for the video. Give it a try and don't forget to like and subscribe to TechSolve for more videos. Bye guys.